This iPhone 12 Pro Max came from another repair shop with a touchscreen and charging problem. We receive this issue frequently on this series of iPhones. When there is a charging problem, the touchscreen often stops working automatically. This happens because some touchscreen lines under the Kraken IC, I/O Kraken to Touch Aid, get damaged when the IC is shorted or faulty. We opened the phone and checked the motherboard. As we observed, the board was clean and had not been previously separated. First, we separated the logic board. Then, we tested the logic board using an eye socket. The same problem was still present. At this point, we confirmed that the issue was caused by the Kraken IC. We removed the Kraken IC and carefully cleaned the soldering pads. Next, we prepared and reballed a replacement Kraken IC taken from a donor board. We installed the new IC, cleaned the board, and prepared it for reassembly. After that, we applied low-temperature solder paste and cleaned the board layers. We tested the board again using the eye socket. As we can see, the touchscreen was working again. Finally, we reassembled the phone and performed a full inspection. Touchscreen working. Charging tested successfully. Phone fully functional.